Let us discuss more problems in trigonometric ratios up to transformations. Let us go with the two problems. Actually, these are belongs to transformations. Okay. Let me explain the formulas of transformations. These are very important. Already we discussed in previous videos. Sin C plus sin D equals to. Simply you can remember by easy tip. Sin C plus sin D equals to and sin C minus sin D and cos C plus cos D and cos C minus cos D. Okay. Let observe in sine formula. Okay, in sine formula we have sine and cos. In sine formula we have sine and cos. If here plus first sine, if here minus first cos, cos and sine, just enough. Okay, and in cos formula we have two causes, either two causes or two sines. When it is a plus, here two causes, when it is a minus, two sines. Okay, now remaining means 2 are very common, and here it is a c plus d by 2. Now c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2, c plus d by 2, c minus d by 2 as usual. Okay, but when it is a minus, you are getting minus here only. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, these are the formulas. And also now it is sum to product now, and product to sum. We can observe the product to sum. Nothing but product to sum, sum to problem. When problem is sum, then we can take it is a product. Actually we need sum. When they are given sum, we need product, like this. Okay, suppose sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, when given alternately signs, okay, like this, plus and minus, okay, with the same terms A plus B, A minus B. It is also same like C and D. When C and D are given, there C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. Okay, for single angles we will get double one, C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. For double we will get single one, A and B, like this. 2 sine, because of here plus, for sine formula we have sine and cos, yes or no? Okay, so A plus B, A minus B, then A and B. Okay, simply, okay, I hope you are understand. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equals to, here minus, so here 2 cos A sin B, that's enough. Okay, similarly cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equals to, it is a cos formula. Cos formula has two causes when it is a plus. When here minus, cos A plus B equals to, A minus B equals to 2 sin A, 2 sin B. Okay, here minus, that is the difference. Suppose here plus, then we will get here minus and plus. Okay, actually suppose here plus, here minus, then we will get 2 sin, minus 2 sin A sin B. So that minus is a plus, then it is a plus, it is a minus. That is the difference. Okay, let us go with our problem. Now here it is a product, we need sum. Okay, 420, actually 420 can be written as 360 plus 60. Simply you can remove 360 from 420. Okay, now it is a 360 plus 60. Okay, it is a easy tip to say 360 as a 0, simple. Okay, then that equals 60. Okay, let sin, it is nothing but 4 sin 60 minus alpha cos 60 plus alpha just enough. Okay, now 4 is nothing but 4, 2 into 2. Now it is 2 sine A cos B. Which formula? Sine and cos. Sine and cos, it is a sine formula. 2 into sine C plus sine C, 2 sine C plus D by 2, sorry, 2 sine A, let's choose as A and B, 2 sine A cos B equals to which formula? Sine A plus B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, alpha cut. Then that equals to 2 sin 120 plus sin minus 2 alpha is a minus sin 2 alpha. Okay, minus sin 2 alpha. Sin minus 2 alpha is nothing but minus sin 2 alpha. And then sin 120 equals to what? Sin of 180 minus 60. Then sin 60, yes or no? Then equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 minus 2 into sin 120, 2 into root 3 by 2 plus sin minus theta is a minus sin theta. Yes, and 2 get cancelled. The first option is answer. Okay, let us go with the second one. Now which strategy can be applied here? CD method, componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. Okay, method can be applied. How to apply is numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator, or plus minus plus. Okay, then 1 plus cos 2b by 1 minus cos 2b equals to, actually here we can apply it like this, denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. Okay, equals to, now here also same like that, cos A minus C plus cos A plus C by cos of A minus C minus cos of A plus C. Observe, denominator plus numerator by denominator minus numerator. Okay, now clearly we know it is a formula 2 cos square B by it is a 2 sin square B. Yes or no? Then it is a formula, already we discussed about this. Cos, here plus cos formula, so we have 2 cos's, 2 cos A cos C by here minus, but here A minus C, A plus C. Now exactly like formula 2 sin A sin B without minus. Okay, B means C, formula is a sin A sin B, now it is a C. Okay, now 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, cos square B by sin square B. Okay, then it is a cot square B equals to cos by sin is a cot A cot C. Okay, actually we need tan, yes or no? Okay, suppose doing reverse, it is a tan square B. Okay, cot square bring that side. Okay, it one becomes as a tan square B. Now these are becomes as a tan A tan C. Okay, let observe, it is like, okay, it is like what? B square equals to AC. Okay, then ABC are in where? Are in GP. Yes or no? Then second option is correct. Okay, okay, let us discussing more problems. Period of functions. Now here I am discussing about some critical and exam point of view questions. Okay, let us doing these problems later. Here the function is sine of, now observe x is a common, yes or no? Now here 1 plus 8 is nothing but 2 cube, yes or no? 1, shall I write 1 cube? Now it is a 3 cube plus so on plus n cube. Okay, now the cubes of, the sum of cubes of natural numbers, first n natural numbers is nothing but what? n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, okay, into x. We know the period of sin nx is nothing but, actually sin period is a 2 pi by it is a n. Yes or no? Okay. Now here that is nothing but 2 pi by n square, x quotient is a n square n plus 1 whole square by 4. Okay. And then it one becomes as a 8 pi by n square into n plus 1 whole square. Okay. The first one. Okay. Let us go with the second one. Here also we can observe, now the function is sec, x is common, same like that. Okay. Now remaining 1 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus so on into x. Okay. Observe, this sum is this series is nothing but GP. Yes or no? 1 by 4, 1 by 16 are in GP because of 1 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 is a 1 by 16, like that. Okay. Now here a equals to 1, r equals to 1 by 4. Sum of infinite series is nothing but a by 1 minus r. Okay. Then a equals to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 3 by 4 becomes as 4 by 3. Okay. Now period of secant nx is nothing but period of cos nx. Okay, it should be 2 pi by n actually, but here x degrees are there, so we have to convert into the pi's degrees into normal x. Okay, then x degree is equals to, then 1 degree equals to pi by 180. Yes or no? Then x degree equals to, now it one becomes as a secant 4 by 3 s 4 by 3 into pi by 180 x. Okay. Then period of function is nothing but 2 pi by n 4 by 3 into pi by 180. Okay. Then pi get cancelled, 2 into it one becomes as a 3 into 180 by 4. 2 2s are 2 90s are, then that equals to 270. Okay. It should be 270. Which option? Sorry. Is 270, then third option. Okay. Okay, like this we are applying the strategy. Okay. Let us go with more problems. 16, first one, 16 cos power 5x minus 20 cos cube x plus 5 cos x belongs to which interval? Here I can apply cos x actually belongs to what? Minus 1 comma 1. Yes or no? Here I am taking, in the place of cos x you should apply plus or minus 1. Okay, suppose substitute 1, then one becomes as 16 minus 20 plus 5 equals to 1. Yes or no? So 1 belongs to first one, so it should be first interval. Okay. Next, now here the minimum value of 16 cot x plus 9 tan x. Observe, these are reciprocals. For reciprocals functions we can apply like this strategy: a square sin theta plus b square cosec theta. Minimum value is 2ab. Okay, 2ab. For reciprocals, sin theta cosec theta or sec theta cos theta and tan theta cot theta, like this. Okay. Now here 2ab, a is nothing but 4s or no? It is a 4 square, it is a 3 square. Then that equals to 2 into 4 into 3. Okay. Now it's just 24. The third option. And one more. F of x equals to cos square x plus sin square x. Now here I can apply one strategy. Already we applied like this. AM greater or equals to GM, already we know about this. AM greater or equals to GM greater or equals to HM. But we need only this much only. Here two functions are here, that is a cos square x plus sin secant square x by 2 is a AM. Now GM is nothing but under root cos square x into secant square x. Okay, let now cos square x plus secant square x greater or equals to 2, it should be 1. Okay, then the function x greater or equals to 2. Okay, let us do this one. Now observe, both are equal actually. Here also we can apply one strategy. Now it can be done by this one, yes or no? But here let observe, for any reciprocals of like this, for positive reciprocals, sorry, now the sum of positive number with their reciprocal should be always greater than or equals to 2. Okay, the positive number, the sum of positive number with their reciprocal should be greater or equals to, okay, simply here that is a third one. Okay, and here the minimum value of cos cube x plus cos cube 120 degrees plus x 1 cos square 120 minus x is, here we can apply one formula, already we done like this. Here simply it is nothing but 3/4 cos 3x actually, for not only 120, 60, 120, 240, 300, definitely it should be 3/4 cos 3x, remember. Okay, cos cube x, cos cube 120 minus x. Okay, then we know cos x value is always between -1 and 1. Then suppose multiplying with 3/4, then we will get what? 3/4 cos 3x less than or equals to 3/4. Okay, then minimum value of 3/4 cos 3x should be -3/4, yes or no? So third one. Now it is the maximum value. Okay, actually the range means minimum and maximum. Actually the range is nothing but -3/4 comma 3/4, then it is a minimum and it is a maximum. Okay, now third one is the option. Okay, these are the problems of our trigonometric up to transformation problems. Okay.